Oxalatos by Michelle Chu. Table of Contents. What are oxalatos? Habitat. Appearance, weight, height, and lifespan. Are they endangered and why? Why are oxalatos important to the environment? Oxalatos predators. Their diet. Interesting facts. Bibliography. What are oxalatos? The oxalato is the Peter Pan of salamanders. According to World Wildlife Fund, oxalatos largely retains its larval characteristics and spends its adult life in the water. It does, however, get bigger. They can be up to a foot long. The oxalato is a type of salamander that doesn't go through metamorphosis. The oxalato has a rare condition called neoteny, which is the slowing down of development. This means they keep most of their larval features into adulthood, so they have all the features of a tadpole. They are amphibians, meaning that they are a cold-blooded animal of a class that comprise animals such as toads, newts, and salamanders. Habitat. Oxalatos are solely found in two freshwater lakes in Mexico. You can find these lakes in the southern region of Mexico City, but I don't guarantee you can find them because they are rarely seen in person. These amphibians have been an important part of Mexican culture for many centuries. According to local mythology, the oxalotl is an expression of an Aztec god who disguised himself as a salamander to avoid sacrifice. Sadly, they are also viewed as a weakness to Mexico City, with overfishing contributing to their appearance on the critically endangered species list. Appearance, weight, height, and lifespan. Oxalots can come in many different colors, such as white, pale pink, brown gray, green, or gold. They have cylindrical bodies, short legs, a long tail, and feathery external gills. They are also known as Mexican walking fish because it is from the Aztec word meaning water dog or water monster. Oxalotus retain certain larval characteristics as adults that remain aquatic their entire life. They weigh 2 to 8 ounces or 0.125 pounds to zero point 0.5 pounds. They are usually 6 to 8 inches in length. In the wild, oxalotls can live up to 5 to 6 years, but when they are kept in captivity, they can live up to 15 years. Now you might be wondering, why do oxalotls live longer in captivity? Well, it turns out one of them is caused by threats to their habitats in the wild, such as pollution, climate change, and overfishing. Are they endangered and why? Today, oxalotos are critically endangered. This is because of loss of habitat, wastewater disposal, and human development. The lack of water is usually caused by droughts, which are caused by humans because of pollution. Another reason why they are critically endangered is because of overfishing. The oxalotos have become something of a delicacy or sensitivity in Mexico City, leading to a large increase in demand among local fishermen. Now, overfishing is one of the biggest threats to oxalotls. Why are oxalotls important to the environment? As a meat-eating predator, oxalotls control the population of numerous small, benthic, hydrographic, or oceanic species. They prevent all the disruptions in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Oxalotls have been described as a standard species because of their sensitivity to changes in water quality, temperature, and population levels. They also control the population of very small animals, including insects, small fish, crustaceans, which are small animals such as lobsters, hermit crabs, spider crabs, true crabs, cod, and much more. Oxalotus predators. The oxalotl has few predators in the wild, though they may be taken by storks and herons as well as large fish on occasion. Although they may have a few predators, their top predator is humans. But if we're going to talk about animals, it would have to be the perch and tilapia, which are both freshwater fish. The reason that these freshwater fish are the predators of oxalotls is because they are an invasive species. Invasive species can be very dangerous to oxalotus because they can cause extinction to plants and animals and alter habitats. What they eat or their diet. Oxalotos eat earthworms, insects, small crustaceans, narrow strips of raw lean beef, fish, and or chicken. Their diet also includes various insects such as larvae and worms. Not only does their diet consist of these animals, but they can also eat frozen or freeze-dried food that is made specifically for them. Oxalotos are often the top predators in their native habitats. Despite their undeveloped teeth, oxalotos are effective predators, meaning that they are animals that are successful at hunting their prey. They are carnivorous predators that actively hunt and consume a wide variety of prey. During the day, oxalotos burrow into the aquatic vegetation and mud to avoid predators. Then, at night, they hunt for food using a suction technique. Interesting facts. Oxalotos look like they are smiling, but that is what they look like after swallowing their food. Oxalotos have a three-chambered heart, like other amphibians. They have the ability to count to three. They emit a bright green fluorescence when exposed to ultraviolet light. Oxalotos vary in color from brown to pink to green. They can regenerate body parts. Oxalotos can walk up to 10 miles per hour or 15 kilometers per hour. Oxalotos never outgrow their larval juvenile stage. You can't touch oxalotos because it can cause them stress, which may weaken their immune system and make them more susceptible to disease. Bibliography: World Wildlife Fund, the Dallas World Aquarium, Lehigh Valley Zoo, Carpenter Nature Center, Earth Day, Blue Reef Aquarium, Earth.org, Deep Sea World, and Education NSW. Hope you enjoyed my presentation today about oxalotos. Bye!